Kids episode 10. It's only me, Anna, Josiah, and Ryan, because the rest of them thought watching a Fortnite video is more important than nature.
No!
We're going to look at ice. You might be thinking, what ice is there?
Yeah, what is there? Like, what?
There's ice, a little bit of ice on the ground.
And across the road on the pond.
But there's a bunch of snow and ice on the other side.
Comment down below if you think ice is nature.
Yeah, comment down below.
This is ice.
When we say, is ice nature, we mean ice found in nature. For instance, like on this pond, in this clip from Nature Kids 9, not ice cubes from your freezer.
There's a bunch of ice. Now we think ice is nature because it's natural, and that's kind of like
water. And water is nature.
There's ice all over the place right now. But right across the road at the pond, which you saw in the last episode, and we filmed that last episode around a month ago.
Before you go in a pond with ice on it, always make sure the ice is thick enough to hold your weight.
The lake is a good resting spot for geese and other birds as they migrate down the south.
There's like, the most I've seen this week was 4 swans, but
Look how shallow the lake is. It usually, like at last, in Nature Kids 8, it was probably up to here. That's like 2 or 3 feet.
that's
Shallow. What usually would be in water, we can see. For instance,
normally this is kind of watery. Like,
yeah.
normally if you step down here, this would be water. Oh, yes.
And this dead tree, which we cut down, which by the way, it still helps nature even though we cut it down, because lots of bass will take refuge there.
In general.
Fish in general,
And this is
specifically
why I
bass.
cut it down right here. This very spot. Is it frozen down? Is it wet?
Nope. I just had a good idea. Under leaves and stuff, sometimes, not always, but sometimes, you can find lots of stuff.
Icky stuff.
Icky, but it's still
For grown-ups. For girl.
What's this? This ain't nature. Or maybe it's a little. But
Look at these little stairs. Please call over cameraman. Hey, see down there? Under the sand, this rubber stuff. That would usually be underwater.
So much rubber. That's.
Hey,
Dude! Okay, we try to scare the geese away from the sources.
ice?
Well, ice. We set out looking for ice and stuff, and we found ice.
A giant pile of it.
We found a lot of ice. How thick do you think it is?
About an inch deep. Or maybe half. No, not an inch.
Maybe. I think because all the snow melts and gets stuck here and then just freezes.
Yeah, so, we're looking at sap. There's some sap in it, frozen. Oh, I just broke it. Let's look at this sap. The sap right here. I just broke the nature cave. Yeah, this is sap. Sap. This is a pine tree, I'm guessing it's a pine tree, but this tree that you're standing on? Look at all that blue stuff. That's all sap. It's dried sap. You mean frozen? No, it's definitely dried. And there's some dried sap that's literally ice. Somewhere around there in that mystical portal. And currently I am up this high in this Caleb.
Yep.
Walking around.
We don't know who did this, but they did it, and it's not good.
At least all the branches. A bunch of dead branches. Exactly.
I mean,
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter that much since all the branches are dead, but it's still got.
Well, look at those little orange things.
Look, those are berries. What I did not get about the nature cave is I don't see any bird nests. And why are there no bird nests?
They probably already fell.
Space
Hey, we know where
to
bird nests
build
is
a
by.
bird nest. Well, there's one for wasp nest in this gazebo.
There's a few nests over here.
Christmas lights.
There
Okay.
was some there was a nest over there. There was two, and they were both dove nests.
Hey, what about the nest we found last time we played Capture the Flag?
You can see the hole in it.
Give you a good view of it.
Let's go play Capture the Flag. And they were hiding their flag up there.
So I ran past you because I thought it was over there.
And then they were right behind me. So I got, oh no, it's right there. And I got down.
On it. Looks like tire tracks. Whoa.
This is slippery. Hey guys, you.
You can subscribe, click right here. See more Nature Kids videos, click right here. See your last video, click right here. And see your last Nature Kids video, click right here. Bye for now. See ya! Oh!